So every Thursday, I try to take off a little early and go home and spend it with the afternoon with my kids. And this Thursday, we're gonna be enjoying some gingerbread cookies and decorating them. We have kits ready in the market. They look just like this. There's 2 gingerbread cookies and they are the soft, chewy type. We have little bowls of candies, and then we have some, the good kind of icing. So the way this works is we're selling kits in the market, and for day 9 of the Christmas countdown sale, we are doing the kits, buy one, get one free. So there's 2 cookies in there, and maybe be great for your family. Grab one and take it to a neighbor, take it to a friend of your kids. Just spread a little bit of good cheer, and it's something fun to do with your family. So buy one, get one free on Thursday, December 10th already, folks. The season is flying by. So stop on in for gingerbread cookie kits.